It is a set of 7 premium quality VDE screwdrivers dedicated for electricians and other professionals. Injection molded handle gives ultimate bond and increases reliability and durability. At the bottom of the handle there is a bit type and size indication. In this case, Phillips 2. The blade of each screwdriver is made from chrome vanadium steel. Set also contains following tips: Phillips 0, Phillips 1, slotted 0.5 by 3, slotted 1 by 5.5, slotted 0.8 by 4, and slotted 1.2 by 6.5. For more information go to tme.eu.